And eto siya.
Shout out to you guys. Check out Dodge 30 for your Honda Click 150 videos. And Ride with Dinosaur for your Harley Raw videos. Guys, welcome back. May bagong video ulit si ka-JGMoto para sa inyo. Another unboxing video at installation video. Link for this will be in the description below. First things first, let's unbox this air filter.
The KOSO air filter. Eto siya guys. First time seeing the KOSO air filter for NMAX.
Check na natin kung ano yung laman. Just take it out of the plastic. Fresh.
So what do you get when buying the KOSO air filter? You get the air filter itself with a very nice red accent. Napakaganda. At then yung medyo brownish accent. And then other stuff, you also get a sticker, one sticker, a bunch of screws for installation, at kasama na rin yung manual. Very nice. Napapansin nyo, our KOSO high flow air filter comes with two types of air filter. This one, ito yung low density. Makikita nyo medyo see-through siya. And the one pre-installed is yung high density.
It's time to install.
Screws to remove. And ito siya. Ito yung stock air filter natin. And kung magtatanong kayo ba't ko pinalitan yung air filter ko, nakita ko rin kung gaano kadumi yung stock filter ko. Which is, makikita nyo ngayon. Yan. So ayan. Pag kinumpara mo yung dalawang air filter, yung stock filter which is a little bit smaller compared to the KOSO high flow air filter. Mapapansin nyo rin, makapal yung gilid niya because upon installing, para siyang nakalabas yung red accent kasama sa cover. So nakikita talaga kung ano yung air filter mo. Alright, i-install na natin to. I'll leave it here as is. Ito yung cover natin. So may kasama siyang 6 na screw. Ito yung gagamitin mo kasi since makapal na yung air filter natin, kasi yung gilid niya mas mahaba dito.
A few moments later.
Ayan, tapos na tayo. So, ito yung forma niya after installing it. Pansin din yung red accent niya sa motor. At pag lumapit naman sila, to check kung bakit ganito yung air filter mo, ba't hindi siya kagaya ng ibang stock. Mapapansin nila, pinago mo na rin yung air filter mo. Nandito nakalagay yung mismo KOSO brand. At syempre, gagawa din tayo ng sound test kung may nagbago ba sa tunog. But overall, performance-wise, mapapansin nyo, may konting difference talaga compared to sa old air filter niya. Sound test at ibibigay ko yung opinion ko kung ano yung nagbago. Turn your bike on, brake, start. And so far, ang una ko mapapansin is parang tahimik. Parang lalo naging tumahimik yung gilid ko. I-rev natin to. You can hear its sound. Halos walang nagbago. Hi guys! So after installing, napakadali lang. It's a very quick install. Hindi siya kagaya sa iba na medyo mahaba yung procedure, may babaklasin pa. This is a very easy installation. Tatanggalin nyo yung air filter cover, ilalagay ulit, and then we're done. This is also the first time na pinalitan ko yung air filter ko. My bike has been with me for 8 months, and then it has 4,000 kilometers sa odometer na. So guys, thank you for watching. Share with your friends, your family, and sana na-enjoy kayo sa maikling video na to. Like and subscribe and comment what you think below. Thank you.